Good morning, guys. Guess what day it is? It's moving day. So for those of you who don't know, I am going into my sophomore year of college, so I am moving into my sorority house. It's 7:30 right now. I wanted to get there around 10 and it's about like 2.5 hours away. I have a few things left to pack, just like the final couple of things. And my room here looks so empty. It's so sad. Yesterday, I was so scattered trying to get everything done. I waited until the very last minute to get everything packed, which, I mean, I probably shouldn't have done, but you know what? It's okay now because we got everything done. Here is my moving outfit. So my shirt is from Target, my shorts are from the Loft, and then my shoes are also from Target. It's super comfy and I don't know, I like it. I think it's cute. Stan, what are you doing? So I decided to leave the flowers up over there, and I was kind of thinking about taking one of these things with me, but I think I'm just gonna leave them here for now, and then if I have space for it, I will grab it when I come back home. And then this whole section is pretty much the same. I couldn't decide if I wanted to take the mirror with me, but they have a giant mirror in the bathroom, so I figured I think I'll be okay without it. And then this whole section is pretty much the same. I did end up taking my comforter with me. Goodbye, room. See you later. I swear I didn't think it was this much stuff. Hi. Thanks for helping. It all fits. Maybe it doesn't fit.
I'm waiting.
It fit.
How did it fit?
You packed it, I guess.
Thank you. And?
I had it packed once.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
Bye, Paisley. Have fun with Grandma and Grandpa. I'll see you soon, cutie. Bye. Just tell the joke. What did the acorn say when it grew up? What? Geometry. I don't know what to get. Is the risk of Here's our house. We have the wonderful letters up there. Okay, so here's the room right now. Okay, so basically right now there's a really big headboard and everything that I didn't realize that was in here. So I think what we're gonna do is take it out and then just use like the normal bed frame and everything. I don't know, I just feel like this is way too big for the room. But I don't know, I think we're just not gonna use it. Okay, so we're moving everything in here. We have the bed frame out of the room. Okay, so I took a break from filming for a little bit just because everyone was moving stuff in and out and it was getting kind of hectic. And Doug came over to help put some stuff together and move some stuff upstairs, so that was super nice. I just didn't film any of it because I don't know, I was getting super overwhelmed. But here is what it looks like so far. I actually really love how my bed turned out over there. And then we have my cute little desk over here, and then this whole section is going to be my roommates. I don't know where we're gonna put the decorations yet, but it's turning out really cute and I really like it so far. Okay, so this whole thing is my armoire. So right now I'm going to put all my clothes up. Hi guys, so I have actually been moved into the sorority house for about 3 weeks. Basically what happened was when I was moving in, I was trying my best to film and kind of vlog everything, but I was getting so overwhelmed. I literally hate moving. It is the worst thing ever for me. It's super stressful. So basically I gave up. I stopped filming and I really didn't think I had that much footage already, but I just went through the SD card that had the footage on it, and I kind of had like a decent amount of footage. So I started editing the footage, and I actually really liked it. I couldn't stop smiling throughout the whole thing, just because even though moving was super stressful for me and overwhelming, it was just like, it's one of those moments where you're just like, I just want to remember this forever, you know? And moving into a sorority house is like a big deal. Like, it's a lot. And even though it's been 3 weeks, I still want to share those memories with you guys and kind of show you guys what it's like to live in a sorority house, because it's super different and also super fun. So yeah, all the footage that you guys saw before this clip was from actual move-in day, and then the footage that you guys are going to see after this clip is just going to be me decorating my room. I brought some more decorations for the area above my desk. I have some fairy lights that I got for my birthday, which I actually vlogged my birthday, and that will be up after this video. So yeah, I want to show you guys literally everything. I'm going to be doing a room tour, a house tour. I'm going to be doing recruitment videos, and I don't know, I'm just like really excited about it because I love talking about being in a sorority. I love being in a sorority, but I also love sharing my love for the sorority with other people. And this is just like the perfect way to do it. So I don't know, I'm just really excited. But yeah, I'm going to get into the decorating and all that good stuff now. Okay, so I brought some stuff to hang up on my wall above my desk. I want to make a cute little collage wall right here. So I have this cute sign that says Magnolia on it. This is from Joann's. I have this cute one that says all good things are wild and free. That one's from Francesca's, I think. I have a cute little lavender hanging thing that's from Joann's, and then my big Nicole made me a cute little Sigma sign. I also have this letterboard. I think I'm going to put a different phrase on it. I kind of want to hang it up, but I like can't decide. So we'll see about that.
Can I help it if I dream of you every night? Dream of you. Can I help it if I dream of you? If I dream of you. Dream of you. Can I help it if I dream of you every night? I know I dream of you. Can I help it if I dream of you every night?
So this is what it looks like. I really like this part, but I don't know about this thing now. And if I get rid of this, this is all kind of like off center. And I think I decided not to hang up the letterboard just because the command strips that I have are only for 2 pounds. So I feel like it would fall. Even if I put 2 of them on, I feel like that's not how it works. I guess it's upside down because the thing to hang it up is right there, but I feel like only one of the command strips would be able to fit, so I don't think I'll be able to hang it up anyways. I do want to change the phrase on it though, so we'll do that in a little bit. I definitely need something like right there and something right there because I feel like that would even it out. I just don't have anything else to hang up. Okay, so now I want to redo the letterboard. I need to figure out what I want to write on it, but here are all the little things for it. So I'm looking on Pinterest right now. I really want to do something fall related, but I don't know. I feel like it's too early for fall. So I think I'm gonna do a fall quote. I don't know what yet. I need to find a cute one, but when recruitment comes in less than 2 weeks, I'm gonna change it to like Go Greek or something like that. But for now, it's gonna be something fall. So I think I'm gonna do this one, pumpkin spice and everything nice. It's a little basic, but whatever, it's cute. Okay, so here's how it turned out. I think it looks super cute. I'm so excited about it. I don't know, that just like looks very out of place. You know what, I might actually move this to here. Or what about that? Is that cute? Ooh, or or I could move it like there. Oh wait, that's actually really cute. Okay, we're gonna do this one. We're just gonna line it all up right there. Okay, yeah, that's cute. I like that one. So my parents got me these cute little rose gold copper fairy lights for my birthday. I just don't know where I'm going to put them yet, so we gotta figure that out. I feel like it would be cute if I put them around my tapestry or like on top of my tapestry, but I also think it would be really cute to put it on my window area, which you guys definitely can't see right now. Okay, now you guys can kind of see. So we have this cute little moon hanging thing from Urban Outfitters over there. So I feel like it'd be really cute if we put the fairy lights like around here maybe. I need to see if they're battery operated or not, because I definitely don't have any batteries here. Okay, note to self, get 3 AA batteries. By the way, I don't think I ever mentioned this, but I do have a roommate. Her name is actually Maddie too, so it's kind of funny that we ended up rooming together. But anyways, I was gonna say I really like how she hung up her lights around her tapestry, so I don't know, I might copy her. So like that's how she hung up the lights. I feel like that would be really cute if I did that, and then it would kind of match. I think I actually am going to do that just because I plan on filming all my videos like on my bed with the tapestry in the background. So I feel like if there's lights, it's gonna be super cute. So I think we're gonna do that. So we'll just hang them up for now. I'll get batteries whenever I can get batteries, and yeah. So you can't really see them because they're not on right now because they don't have batteries, but you guys can kind of see what they look like here. So I just used command strips to hang them up, and I hid the little battery holders behind the tapestry so it looked a little more presentable. And then I also used the pins to secure some of the lights, but I think it's cute. It'll look really cute in videos, especially when they're actually on. Okay, this isn't like decorating because I already put it up, but I started making a cute little Polaroid wall, which I think is so cute. So this sign is from Joann's, and then these are the Polaroid pictures that I've taken so far. I mean, I only have 5, but it's a start. So that is all the decorating that I'm going to be doing in today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this move-in vlog. I had so much fun filming it for you guys, and I hope you guys are super excited to see all of my sorority videos that are coming up. I have a few planned, and I'm really excited for you guys to see all of them. But yeah, if you guys liked it, then make sure to give this video a giant thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel down below and follow me on all my social media. The links are in the down bar below. But yeah, so that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!